In this video, we will show you how to use your Dua Baby soundbox. Open with the screw used to secure the batteries for your baby's safety. Insert two AA batteries. Your Dua Baby soundbox comes with 8 pre-uploaded surahs and duas. Please see the customizing your soundbox video or your Dua Baby user manual on how to add any sound that your baby loves. You can even record and upload your own voice. Add up to 200 sounds. Make sure to secure the screw back tightly and you are ready to enjoy your Dua Baby Crib Mobile. Press and hold this button for 4 seconds to turn on your soundbox.
Rahman.
The default setting when your soundbox turns on is to repeat all sounds and for the rotation function to be on. Press and hold this button to increase the volume.
علمه البيان.
Press and hold this button to decrease the volume.
الشمس والقمر.
Quick press the same volume increase button to skip to the next sound.
أعوذ بالله
Quick press the
من
same volume
الشيطان
decrease button to skip to the previous sound.
أعوذ بالله.
Press and hold this button to stop the rotation of your crib mobile while the sound continues to play. Press and hold this button again for the rotation of your crib mobile to resume while the sound continues to play. Quick press this button to pause and play the sound and rotation. Tips and tricks for your soundbox. But first, we really hope you love your Dua Baby Crib Mobile. Please let us know with an Amazon review. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest Dua Baby product launches. If you want your Dua Baby Crib Mobile to rotate without playing any sound, you can either put the volume all the way down by pressing and holding the soundbox volume button, or you can use the mute button on your Dua Baby remote.